Verdie is a new type of AI assistant that is designed to be more helpful and informative than traditional AI assistants. It is a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Verdie to understand and respond to a wide range of questions and requests. Verdie is still under development, but it has already learned to perform a number of tasks, including answering questions, generating text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange, following your instructions, and completing your requests thoughtfully. The Flow Hive is a revolutionary beehive that allows you to harvest honey without opening the hive or disturbing the bees. The hive consists of a series of specially designed frames that contain plastic cells. The bees build their comb on these cells, and when the honey is ready, you can simply turn a key to open the cells and let the honey flow out. The Flow Hive has a number of advantages over traditional beehives. It is much easier to harvest honey, and it is also less disruptive to the bees. This can help to keep the bees healthy and productive. In addition, the Flow Hive is more hygienic than traditional beehives, as it does not require you to open the hive to extract the honey. The Flow Hive is a great option for both experienced beekeepers and beginners. It is easy to use and maintain, and it can help you to harvest fresh, delicious honey from your own backyard. Here are some of the benefits of using a Flow Hive. Easy to use. The Flow Hive is very easy to use, even for beginners. Maxbit is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of features and services to its users. The exchange was founded in 2018 and is headquartered in Singapore. Maxbit is registered with the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, as a digital currency exchange under the Payment Services Act, PSA. Maxbit offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. The exchange also offers a variety of margin trading options, allowing users to trade with up to 100x leverage. Maxbit also offers a number of other features, such as a staking service, a savings service, and an over-the-counter, OTC, trading desk. Maxbit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange with a large user base. The exchange is known for its user-friendly interface, its high liquidity, and its wide range of features. Maxbit is a good choice for both experienced and beginner cryptocurrency traders. The GARDENA CombiSystem is a versatile and innovative gardening tool system that offers a wide range of tools and attachments for all your gardening needs. The system is based on a simple and intuitive design that allows you to quickly and easily change between different tools without the need for any tools or special skills. The GARDENA CombiSystem includes a wide range of tools, including soil cultivation tools. These tools are ideal for preparing your soil for planting, including spades, forks, hoes, and rakes. Planting and transplanting tools. These tools make it easy to plant and transplant seeds and seedlings, including trowels, dibbers, and transplanters. Watering tools. These tools help you to keep your plants watered, including watering cans, hoses, and sprinklers. Pruning and trimming tools. These tools help you to keep your plants healthy and looking their best, including shears, pruners, and saws. Harvesting tools. The DR Burn Cage is a safe and efficient way to burn yard waste. It is made of heavy-duty steel and has a capacity of 8.1 cubic feet. The burn cage has a perforated design that allows for maximum airflow, which helps to create a hot, even burn. The cage also has a built-in ash catcher, which makes it easy to clean up after burning. The DR Burn Cage is easy to use. Simply place the cage in a safe location, add your yard waste, and light a fire. The cage will do the rest, burning your yard waste safely and efficiently. The DR Burn Cage is a great way to get rid of yard waste without having to worry about it blowing away or starting a fire. It is also a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Here are some of the benefits of using a DR Burn Cage. Safe. The DR Burn Cage is made of heavy-duty steel and has a perforated design that allows for maximum airflow, which helps to create a hot, even burn. The cage also has a built-in ash catcher. WhiptecBio is a biotechnology company that develops and markets products for the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. The company was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in San Diego, California. WhiptecBio's lead product is a diagnostic test for early-stage lung cancer. The test is based on a proprietary technology that allows for the detection of cancer cells in the blood. WhiptecBio is also developing a number of other products for the treatment of cancer, including a drug that targets a specific type of lung cancer. WhiptecBio is a privately held company that has raised over $100 million in funding. The company's investors include a number of venture capital firms, as well as individual investors. Focus on early-stage cancer detection. WhiptecBio's lead product is a diagnostic test for early-stage lung cancer. The test is based on a proprietary technology that allows for the detection of cancer cells in the blood. Pipeline of cancer treatment drugs. WOLF-Garten is a German company that manufactures a wide range of gardening tools and equipment. The company was founded in 1922 and is headquartered in Betzdorf, Germany. WOLF-Garten is a leading supplier of gardening tools in Europe, and its products are sold in over 50 countries around the world. WOLF-Garten offers a wide range of gardening tools, including hand tools. These tools include spades, forks, hoes, rakes, shears, and pruners. Power tools. These tools include lawnmowers, trimmers, chainsaws, and hedge trimmers. Garden accessories. These accessories include hoses, sprinklers, watering cans, and pots. WOLF-Garten is known for its high-quality products and its innovative designs. The company has a strong commitment to research and development, and it is constantly developing new products and technologies to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. WOLF-Garten is a popular choice for gardeners of all levels of experience. The company's products are easy to use, and they offer a wide range of features to meet the needs of different gardeners. ClipperBox is a British manufacturer of toolboxes and storage solutions. The company was founded in 1974 and is headquartered in Oxfordshire, England. ClipperBox offers a wide range of toolboxes and storage solutions for both professional and DIY users. ClipperBox toolboxes are made from high-quality materials and are built to last. They are also designed to be easy to use and to provide secure storage for tools and equipment.